We will introduce the use of a fiber optic spectrometer to measure the transmittance curves of prescription glasses in laser safety glasses. The prescription glasses and green laser safety glasses are first cleaned and securely mounted on a holder, and the spectra transmitted through each are then collected. The software automatically displays the transmittance curve of each lens, allowing us to assess their performance. Prescription glasses are primarily used for vision correction, so they typically have a high transmittance to ensure clear vision. In contrast, green laser safety glasses are designed to block green laser light and strong light, with especially low transmittance in the green wavelength range to reduce eye irritation from green light. The optical performance data collected from the lenses using the spectrometer can be used to evaluate lens quality and provide a more accurate understanding of their optical properties. Spectrometer data offers unparalleled accuracy, supporting both the manufacturing and selection of high-quality eyewear.